Winter is the best season for gardening, especially if you love flowers. In this video, I'll show you 10 beautiful winter plants that are easy to grow, beginner friendly, and perfect for pots or gardens. Number 1 is Primrose. Primrose is one of the earliest winter bloomers. It produces bright yellow, pink, red, and purple flowers. It loves cool weather and grows well in pots and partial sunlight. Keep the soil slightly moist, not soggy, and it is perfect for beginners who want quick winter color. Do you like it? Write in comments. Number 2 is Verbena. Verbena is a low growing spreading plant with clusters of tiny flowers. It comes in purple, pink, white, and red. It needs full sunlight and is very good for hanging baskets as well as borders. Once it starts flowering, it keeps blooming for weeks. What are your thoughts about verbena? Which flower plant do you like to grow in your winter balcony? Write in the comments and do like the video. Number 3 is Salvia. Salvia adds height and structure to your winter garden. Flowers are usually red, purple, or blue. It loves bright sunlight and needs well drained soil. Bees and butterflies love salvia. It can also be easily propagated from stem cutting as well and from seeds also. It is low maintenance plant and keeps on blooming late in the spring as well. It needs only slight watering to keep the soil moist and not soggy, otherwise the root may die from root rot or fungal infection. Number 4 is Petunia. Petunia is a winter garden favorite. It is available in single, double, stripped, and trailing varieties. It requires full sun and regular pinching. Number 5 is Marigold. Marigold is one of the easiest winter plant to grow. It grows fast from seeds, needs direct sunlight, and is very low maintenance. Plus, marigold flowers are useful for puja and decoration. It is in two varieties. One is the narangi and the other is African dwarf marigold. I have planted both, and in dwarf variety there are many colors. I have planted the orange one and the light yellow one. It provide a large number of blooms and grow for an extended period. I planted this in September and I hope so that it, and right now it's Jan and it may continue to bloom till April as well. Marigold are mainly a winter plant. The plant may grow in summer but the bloom usually happens in the winter season. Number 6 is Dianthus. Dianthus is known for its frilled flowers and mild fragrance. Colors include pink, red, white. It likes cool temperatures. I have planted it in the garden border. You can also plant it in the pots as it is shallow rooted plant, and avoid overwatering for best result. It can be grown throughout the year. My dianthus flowers in summers and winters as well. You can propagate it from stem cuttings. I divided my dianthus via division. Number 7 is rose. Rose is the winter best flower plant. This is the desi variety of rose which provides abundant bloom in the winter season. Though the flower lasts for only 2 to 3 days, there are many other different varieties of rose as well. Pruning is usually done before winter and it needs at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. Regular feeding gives big healthy blooms, and even one rose plant can change the look of your garden. What are your thoughts about rose? Do you have rose in your garden? Write in the comments below. And if not, are you going to get a new rose plant for your garden? Do mention that as well. Number 8 is Pansy. Pansy flowers look like smiling faces. It comes in yellow, purple, blue, and mixed colors. It prefers cool weather and mild sun. It is great for small pots and windowsills, and it is very attractive and compact plant. It is having a photochromatic color with different shades of purple, which truly adds charm to my garden. Number 9 is Begonia. Begonia is perfect if you have partial shade. Flowers in pink, red, white. It is thick, glossy leaves and is requiring very low watering. Excess watering can lead to root rot. Number 10 is Hibiscus. Hibiscus is usually a summer plant, but with proper care, it does well in mild winters. Although in my area it is 4 degrees Celsius temperature in the night, but look at this hibiscus, it is blooming so well. Though it needs bright sunlight in the day, we have to protect it from extreme cold if it goes in the minus degree temperature, and regular pruning help flowering